dagat! So, pansirin mo guys. I mean, mag-discuss na guys. Darita nga page. So, naatay present tense, past tense, future tense. So, ang present tense na to is pareha ng sing, decide, write, bring, dance. Ang salin man na sa present tense ang sing. So, mahimo siyang sang. Sing, sang. Tapos sa future tense, dito mawala na ang shall, ang will, o shall sing. So, ang decide is decided. Well, shall decide. Write, sorry guys. Write, wrote. Well, shall write. Bring, brought. Well, shall bring. Dance, danced. Danced. Well, shall asa ba tagay nga page guys? Ayun lang.